Now started video. I'm recording everybody. This is our teacher.
Come, 1 minute.
Gabriel. Tell a few words. Just say.
What to say? Give me.
Say I am the.
I am the.
My name Gabriel.
My name is Gabriel Mardi. I am from Fargo. I am the teacher of
Saint Thomas
English Medium School, Huilakur.
Good.
I am teaching since from 2005.
Good. This brother.
Yeah, I am Logan Borough. I am from beginning. Now, good lucky in the name of Jesus.
Good. Benjamin, what you will say?
Let them. No.
Okay.
Okay, I'm Mr. Aso. I'm from Manipur. I'm working among the Adivasi here at Assam. Looking after the church, at the same time looking after the school.
Good.
Okay.
He's our missionary, president.
Next to Murmu, president, not.
And who is this man?
My name is Sunda Murmu. I am working here. I am Abraham. I preach Jesus Christ.
Only you have to be good man first.
No.
And this,
Hey, Murmu.
the good,
Murmu.
good brothers. Say hello to the student. Yes. Tari, who is this?
This is our believer.
Okay.
Beyond the river.
Uh-huh.
Still bachelor. So next.
Really?
I'm searching this time but fail.
This is our good brother. And this Bishop Puri hide in there.
Bishop want to carry this one.
Okay. Hey, uncle, come. Come. Uncle. Uncle. Hey, brother.
Wait.
Come. Go get it. Okay.